Hello बच्चों, in previous program I taught you how to write basic program in HTML. Now today I will show you how to create table in HTML. So you can see here I have created this small table. I think you all are knowing that this part is known as row and this part is known as column. Okay. So now this small table we have to draw in a HTML. So let's start our program. First we will write HTML, then head, and here I have taken title table in HTML. You can take anything. Then I have closed the head, and now the body part has begun from here. Body BG color. Here again I have taken pink. You can take any color. Now the table part is going to be start. So first you have to start a table, and then after keeping some space you have to write border is equals to 1. If you will not write this border is equals to 1, then this outer border will not display. So that is why it's compulsory to write this line. Then you can see here I have created 1, 2 and 3 rows. So TR is used for the table row. So in this program we have to write 3 times TR. Means we have to 3 times open the TR and close the TR. So you can see here first I have opened one TR and then closed it. Then again I have opened a TR and then closed it. And then third time I have opened TR and closed it. Means in this program I have created 3 rows. So in each row, as you can see here, in each row 1, 2, 3 there are 3 columns. Means ki when you will open one TR, so first you have to complete 3 columns, then only you can close this TR. So same we are going to do in this program. You can see here TR, I have opened first TR and then I have created 3 columns. So TD is used for the table data. Means for the column we will use TD over here. So first TD, in that you can see it's written RN, means roll number. So in first TD I will write TD RN and then I will close this TD. Matlab my first column has closed. Now second TD, and in this you can see in second TD, in first row and second TD its content is name, data is name. So in this TD we will write down name and close this TD. Then third TD is marks. What is the data of third TD? It's marks. So here again we will open the third TD and write down the marks and then close this TD. Now we have finished all 3 datas. So this line is almost completed, but only one thing is remaining, that is closing TR. So here you can see I have closed the TR. Means your first row is ready. Same way we will do for the second row and the third row. So here you can see in second row the data is 1, AAA and 50. So same when you will open your TR, in first TD you will write data 1, in second TD you will write data AAA, and in third TD you will write data 50, and then you will close this TR. So now your second row is also over. Now let's move for the third row. In third row you can see my data is 2, BBB and 100. So same way when I will open my TR, in first TD I will write 2, in second TD I will write BBB, and in third TD I will write 100. And then because my content is over now, so I will close this TR. Once you have closed the TR, means your all 3 rows has been completed. So now it's compulsory to close the table. Whatever you will open in this program, it's compulsory to close it. So you can see ki before TR you have opened the table. So after TR you have to close the table. Then you have opened the body, so you have to close the body, and at the last you have opened the HTML. First you have opened the HTML, so at the last you have to close the HTML. In this way you are able to draw this table in HTML. Thank you.